Since 2009, protoplanetary disks have reportedly been observed in the Orion Nebula, 7,500 light-years from Earth. But are these genuine observations, or merely astronomers' interpretations supporting their theories on planet and star formation? The disk, unimaginatively named 1818825, is considered a direct image of a planetary system's birth. It spans 53 billion miles, making it 7.5 times the diameter of our solar system. The image of the disk is 1,280 pixels wide, while the disk itself is 816 pixels across. This makes each pixel represent 65 million miles. In comparison, Jupiter's diameter is 88,846 miles, which is just 14/10,000ths of a pixel. To make Jupiter visible, the image would need to be 930, 5,740, 6 by 930, 5,746 pixels. Even the largest exoplanets, about twice the size of Jupiter, remain undetectable in such an image. Even further, if you look at this image, it does not really look like a disk at all, but more like a shock wave. It looks more like what you would get if the star were moving through the Orion Nebula, creating a shock wave as it did so. This interpretation is supported by the fact that it is not symmetrical along the XY axis of the image. Furthermore, there are bright spots near the shorter end, as would be expected from such a wave. This model is further supported by other images that show evidence of stars going through the nebula rather than forming actual disks. Yet these are still labeled as protoplanetary disks. This shows a clear bias in the direction of them being protoplanetary disks because evidence of them being shock waves is abundantly clear. Even ones that look fairly disk-shaped show evidence of this, usually by being oblong in shape. Interestingly enough, the images that look the most like disks or seen from the side could easily be shock waves. 4 of these are consistent with them heading away from us, and 2 look more like they are heading towards us because there is a glow on the leading edge. In conclusion, the claim that these are images of protoplanetary disks represents presupposition and expectations rather than what is actually there. These structures look enough like shock waves that it should at least cause the possibility to be considered. This shows a lack of objectivity in the analysis of these images. If you like this content, please support this channel by making a donation or buying a product through the links mentioned in the description.